These don't have heavy bass, yet somehow I couldn't stop using them. Hey guys, I'm Abhijit and welcome back to TechNutso. Today we are checking out the Kiwi Ears Belle paired with the Kiwi Ears AD1 DAC. Now usually whenever I try a new pair of IEMs, I almost feel like tweaking the sound or changing something about the tuning. But with these, my experience was surprisingly different. And before we continue, a huge thanks to Kiwi Ears for sending these out for review. But as always, all opinions in this video are completely mine. Also, I have reviewed multiple IEMs on this channel already, so if you want to check out more audio gear reviews, the playlist link will be in the description below. So after using this for music, gaming, videos and longer listening sessions, here's my honest experience. First of all, the packaging experience is actually really nice. The box is very lively and colorful, which immediately makes the unboxing feel exciting. It uses that slide up style packaging which we have seen on many IEMs, but it still feels premium enough for the price. As soon as you open the box, the IEMs are placed right at the top inside the foam, which honestly looks pretty clean. Inside the box, you get the Kiwi Ears Belle IEMs, a silver plated cable, around 5 extra ear tips, documentation. My version is the no microphone, no controller, standard gold plated 3.5 mm jack version. One thing I definitely wish they included though is the carry case. Talking about the design, the Belle actually looks much more premium than its price suggests. It comes with a CNC Metal Faceplate combined with a transparent resin shell, and honestly, this combination looks really clean and premium in hand. The transparent shell exposing the internals gives it that proper audiophile aesthetic without looking too flashy. Build quality overall is solid, not overly luxurious, but definitely premium enough for this price range. The shells themselves feel lightweight and comfortable, making them great for longer listening sessions. And because of the lightweight design, they are also very easy to carry around daily. The cable quality is also surprisingly good. It's a silver plated cable and feels durable enough for daily use. Now quickly talking about the specifications. 10 mm custom DLC dual drivers, CNC metal faceplate, transparent resin shell, 0.78 mm 2-pin connector, gold plated 3.5 mm jack, neutral balance tuning, tested mainly with the Kiwi Ears AD1 DAC. Now coming to the most important part, the sound quality. And honestly, the first thing that impressed me was the clarity. The sound feels very clean and natural. This is not one of those bass heavy V-shaped sounding IEMs. Instead, the Belle focuses more on balance and detail. Starting with the lows, the bass here is definitely present, but it's not thumpy or overpowering. Sub bass and mid bass are good enough and complement the music nicely, but don't expect that aggressive head shaking bass. And honestly, I think that's exactly the point of these IEMs. The bass stays controlled so that the rest of the music remains clear. So, if you are a bass head, this might not be for you. But if you enjoy a more natural sound signature, you'll probably enjoy this tuning a lot. The mids are extremely clear, vocals sound detailed and natural. Now while using this with the Kiwi Ears AD1 DAC, I did notice that sometimes the mids slightly overpower the highs, but it never became an issue during my usage. Music still sounded enjoyable because of that subtle low end balance. I even tested this with the Audio Color Note DAC, but somehow I still preferred the original tuning and presentation of the Belle with the AD1. And another interesting thing about the AD1 DAC is that it supports Kiwi Ears' own 5-band parametric EQ through their desktop website, and you can actually flash those EQ profiles directly onto the DAC itself. But honestly, I still prefer the natural stock tuning of the Belle. I'll leave the website link in the description below if you want to experiment with it. If you have watched this video until this point in time, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now this is where the Belle genuinely shines. The highs are loud, crisp and very clear. Treble lovers are definitely going to enjoy these. At times, vocals slightly blend into the highs, but honestly, it never sounded harsh or problematic to me. Overall, the top end sounds detailed without becoming fatiguing. Another thing that genuinely surprised me was the soundstage. The sound feels wide and spacious. For music, this creates a really immersive listening experience. Even while watching videos and movies, the experience was really good. Dialogue sounded clear, clean, and easy to understand without getting drowned out by the background audio. And for gaming, I was genuinely impressed. I played BGMI with these, and the directional audio felt very accurate. Gunshots, footsteps, movement, everything sounded clean and easy to identify. That wider soundstage definitely helps while gaming. So yes, I would confidently recommend the Kiwi Ears Belle for gaming. But who are these for? These are perfect for neutral sound lovers, treble lovers, people who enjoy clarity and detail, long listening sessions, casual gamers. But if you mainly want heavy bass, very punchy tuning, extremely energetic sound, then these may feel too balanced for your taste. Overall, I genuinely enjoyed using the Kiwi Ears Belle. The clarity is top notch, the sound stage is wide, the comfort is excellent, and the tuning feels natural and balanced. And honestly, I have tried multiple IMs till now, but this is one of the very few stock sound signatures that I genuinely loved without feeling the need to tweak anything. This feels like a proper all-rounder IEM for people who enjoy clean and detailed sound rather than exaggerated bass. These are priced at around $30 or rupees 2,990 rupees, which honestly feels pretty solid for the experience you're getting. Links are in the description, definitely check them out. So yeah guys, this was my experience with the Kiwi Ears Belle. If you have any tech queries, join the Telegram channel TechNutso and DM me. I'm happy to help. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for BTS and tech updates. Links are in the description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.